Well, hello and welcome to our first lesson of summer school. All right, so this goes with our very quiet cricket reading that we had, our story. And so we have some crickets here for our math. So I thought that'd be kind of fun. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at these. We're going to count how many crickets we have. We're going to write that first, and then we're going to circle the groups of 10 that we can make and see how many ones we have left over. So we're going to see the whole number first, and then we're going to take it apart into tens and ones. So let's count first, and we will write that number on the first blank that we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that into a group of 10. Okay, I have 12 first. I'll write that. And then if we remember that we have a 1 in the tens place, we will remember that that means we have one group of tens, and then we should also remember that we have two little ones left over, just like when we're doing our date. We count how many days we are in kindergarten. We would count how many hundreds, tens, and ones. Same thing here, only we're kind of having to do it ourselves. All right, so let's find that 110 that we're supposed to have here. So I'm going to do it as if it were a 10 frame, okay? So it says circle it. I'm going to make it different. I'm going to do it so that it was a 10 frame. So I'm going to count over 5 on top and 5 at the bottom because that's how our 10 frame looks. It looks has 5 frames on the top and 5 frames on the bottom to make a total of 10 frames, which is why we call it a 10 frame. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and write my line on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make my line on the bottom, and then I will go ahead and join that here to make my rectangle, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw the lines in between so that I can see it looks like a 10 frame. There we go. We know that if it's full, that means 10. So there's my one group of tens. So 12 equals 110, and then as we predicted, 2 little ones left over. 12 equals 110 plus 2 ones. And there we go. All right, let's do the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we'll write 11 here. So we should have one group of 10 and 1 left over if we're doing it the way that we know how to do it. One group of 10, 1. Let's make a group of 10 here. We're not going to be able to make a 10 frame because they're not set up that way, but we'll do our best here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then there's my little one guy left over. So I'm going to circle everything except for the 1 left over. So one group of 10, 1. Okay, if I come down here, I might be able to make a 10 frame on this one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 total. If I'm going to decide if it's going to be one group of 10 and 5 ones, like I know it should be, but I want to represent it, I want to make sure. So I'm going to make a 10 frame just like I did up here. So let me count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take it on down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it on down that way. Join them. Go across like this and make my 10 frames with 5 on top and 5 on the bottom, just like a regular 10 frame. So there we have one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over, just like the number shows us. Perfect. All right, we have one more group of crickets here. Ooh, this looks like a lot of them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have a 1 and an 8 makes 18, which would hopefully be one group of 10 and 8 ones left over. But let's do the work over here and see if we can make it that way. I predict this is going to be really easy because I think there's a 10 frame easily right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, and then 5 matching it on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and make my big rectangle around there. Divide that in between. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 1, 10. Let's see if we have 8 ones. Hopefully we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we do. Very good. Okay, so if you are able, go ahead and do this on your own, or you can make up your own. Okay, you can have somebody at home draw a number of little crickets for you, and then you can figure it out yourself. Or if you just want to watch us do it together, that's fine too, because you're learning either way. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.